All right, this is a John Deere 450C. The C just is the range, so it's a John Deere 450, and it's a C model. A couple things I'm going to go over real quick. This is about fluid. I'm going to make multiple videos on this crawler loader, but I'm doing some maintenance on it right now. Cleaning off the steering clutch fuel plugs. So on this crawler, it's got a steering clutch on each side that manages the turning, and you need to periodically check the fluids and make sure there's no water getting in, things of that nature. This plug is right above the sprocket, so this is the sprocket that's attached to the final drive. I am on the right hand side of the tractor if you're sitting in the seat, and as you can see, if you look right above it, there is the fuel plug. The drain plugs are underneath the tractor down there where the transmission and all that drain is. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a good picture. I searched all over the web to get a good picture so I could reference to people asking about the steering clutches. Here it is, guys. It's on that side. You got one on each side. They easily cake up. That's what I just got done doing with that, is digging it out with a screwdriver. So you may not even see it until you start cleaning that thing out, but it's there. This is your hydraulic reservoir glass gauge, kind of let you know. I've actually got the loader up in the air, so looks like it's low on hydraulic fluid, but it's not too bad. It centers out nice and well when the loader's down. Anyways, again, this is a John Deere 450C track loader. It's around a 75, 76 model. You can take the attachments on the back. This one we actually have a backhoe attachment for, which I'll do some video on that if somebody needs it. This tractor needs a really good bath and some basic restoring, which I will do as time goes on. But that's it. It's got a decent undercarriage. Tracks are in pretty decent shape. So far it's been running great for us. Engine runs clean. Need to get some side grates for it. They're missing. But essentially this was an old farm tractor we bought off a gentleman. His father, who sadly passed away, used it for many years. Wasn't the original owner, but had it for most of its life. Here's the fuel plug on this side. It's actually a lot cleaner than the other side was, but it's because we have a small hydraulic leak there, which may be helping reduce some of the crap stuck to it. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys that, let you know that is where the steering clutch fuel plug is, and apparently not everyone has an easy time finding it. So there it is. Just wanted to add a follow-up to that last video I did about the steering clutches, the fuel plug and the steering clutches. So I've had some questions before, or I've read some questions actually, they weren't directed at me, but anyways, about the fuel plug and the fact that it has that square, and people ask what special tool and miscellaneous stuff like that in it. I don't know about if they make a special tool, but I've always used just an extension that would fit that. So that's a half-inch, it's a half-inch extension, and they fit quite well right in those holes to get those plugs out. So just to let you know, I mean, you might need to use a little breakover bar, something to work, but that's pretty much it. You'll see some other plugs like this on older tractors, and I don't know if that's the exact way people used to do it, but that's the way I always have seen do it. So anyways, figured I'd add that little touch to it, so when people are needing to change it, they know what tool they need. So that's just a regular old half-inch ratchet, half-inch shaft. Alrighty.